Jessica. It's not funny. Jess?
Is Kettle Springs everything you expected it to be?
It looks like it's stuck in the 90s.
They're really big on tradition around here.
Every year, there's this parade where everyone worships Brendo.
Brenda.
The clown on all the Baypen labels. He's a local legend.
Check it out, it's Frendo!
Okay, call 911. Where's the button, Jen? What is this? What kind of phone is this?
There's a bunch of dead people back there.
Brendo is trying to kill us.
Y'all are making one of your little goofy internet videos? Is that what's happening?
Aw, Ginger, did you die? That is so sad.